get next to Skipper Percy on your right over here.
Underway. Sorry. You know, that was actually the last book that I drove. We're not going to talk about it. But, I will tell you this, though. We are going to be doing something, though. Something along the lines of hitting something. So wave goodbye to the skippers on the dock. You'll never see them again. Wave goodbye to those scripts over there. I don't know who they are. Alrighty, friends. Welcome aboard the world-famous Jungle Cruise, where we put the fun in no refunds. My name is Percival. I'll be your navigator for as far as we go and however far we get. If you don't laugh at my jokes, I'll be your swimming instructor. Now, for your safety, as well as for the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your arms, hands, feet, and legs inside the boat. Parents, watch your children. Children, watch your parents. Now, we just passed by the Amazon rainforest, where it does rain 365 days a year. I know, you just missed it. Now, coming up right over here, it's the Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where Indiana Jones is said to be looking for the world's greatest treasure. I don't know why he's looking in there for when it could be that snake back there having a ball. But now, looking over here, it's the Himalayan tiger. Now, did you know it can weigh 500 pounds and do a 25-foot vertical leap? I know, right? Isn't that amazing? Well, luckily for us, we're about 20 feet, so we'll go right over, like my jokes. Now, looking right on ahead there, you might notice there's a pack of elephants. You know, this is really unheard of. They all have the trunks on. Alright, can't say the same for Bertha. Now, let me tell you, this is the reason why you should never stay in the shower for too long. There's a possibility you'll turn into an elephant. Then again, that's exactly what my parents told me. Oh, I just realized, since we are in the area, let me introduce you to a good friend of mine. Coming up right over here is Squirt. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Squirt, you feeling all right, bud? Hello. You want to come up and say hi to these lovely people over here? Spray him in the face, maybe? No? Okay. I think she's feeling a little under the water today. But not to worry. We're going to continue right on ahead, and hopefully there's nothing that'll catch us up before we are. Let's go check that out. Alrighty. Oh my. Right over here we got a gorilla camp. And look, I got one thinking this, but how do they turn that over without the battery? But now, by the way, kid, if you look right over here, somewhere deep in the jungle, you might see absolutely nothing. You know how it also says Bobo on the ceiling? Pick up an application on the way out, we're hiring. But now, right over here happens to be a giant waterfall. Now, let me tell you a really cool fun fact. Actually, better yet, let's save it for when we go over it later. Let me tell you, it'll be worth the wait, especially once you get that umbrella. But for now, welcome my friends to the Nile River, the longest river in all of Africa. You know, I hear it's rumored to go on for Niles and 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 Niles. You don't believe me? Ask Kevin, he lives in the Nile. Now, over here, we got Bobo. Check this out. You ready, bud? Speak! Good. Louder. Fantastic. Now, while we're still in the area, Bobo, do a flip! Sorry, I think he got stage fright. But now, welcome my friends to the African belt. Now here be zebras, wildebeest, and a family of lions watching a zebra sleeping. No, don't get me wrong. On paper, that looks pretty cute. Realistically speaking, yeah, that's pretty dead. Tired. Sorry. You know, why don't we let him rest in peace? And over here, we got Skipper Felix. You know, it's a good thing he's not messing with our rhinos. I think he mastered the art of standing so perfectly still, he's practically invisible to the naked eye. Pretty impressive. But, you know, hey, could have been worse. Right? Could have been... Oh, dear. Sorry, I've actually never seen that before. That's new. Hey, as I was saying, could have been worse. You could be entering a pool full of hungry hippos. Very slim to none. But kids, I gotta warn you, this line's profession is never zero. So keep an eye out, especially if they charge the boat. They don't know I take cash. So whatever you do, heed my advice, you might want to cover those ears. I'm gonna scare it off the best way I was trained out to. Jet high! Look at that, scared him stiff. Now, don't worry, that first shot was for the hippo in the water. And the second one, that's for the one in the tree. Well, looking right over here, friends, it looks like we got ourselves a prime example of a shipwreck. You know, if I had a nickel for every time I explain this and my job, let me tell you, I have seen it, you know, really been a lot, but I'm surprised it's happened twice. But now, if we look right over here, my young friends, we got bamboo. You know, bamboo is said to grow up to 6 stories. Some might tell you 8. Yeah, I don't know why, that sounds like a whole different story. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. It's the stupendous, the amazing, the colossal, the 8th wonder of the world. You know it. You love it. You guys actually take the time to bring an umbrella? I give you the backside of water! New record. But anyway, friends, where was I? Oh, if you look right over here, it looks like we got ourselves a giant snake sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. You know, I'm often told that first comes love. And then something about a constricting relationship afterwards. But now, welcome my friends to Trader Sam. If you're in the market for a new hat, look no further. They're known for capsizing. But now, we're going to take a quick stop right over here to say hello to 2 of our favorite employees. Now, right over here on the record player is Sam and Dean. They do a lot of stuff off record too. I think because their dad's on a hunting trip and they're home in a few days. Let me tell you, it's a little supernatural. Alrighty, my friends. Now, as we approach that dock, we ask you to remain completely seated with your arms, hands, feet, and legs inside the boat. Parents, supervise your children. Now, if you had a good time today, once again, the name's been Skipper Percival. If you didn't have a good time, well, the name's been irrelevant, and I hear it's spelled I-R-R. Elephant. But anyway, friends, while we're still waiting here, I do want to ask you a very important question. Besides Kayla here, is there anyone else celebrating a birthday? No? No? Where's your birthday button? Yeah, where's your birthday button? Well, make sure you get one. They say get free snacks around here. Yeah, after your parents pay for it. Who's celebrating a birthday next week? Fantastic. Next month? Wonderful. September. Specifically the 21st night of September? No? No one really remembers? Okay. But anyway, friends, we do have a birthday song for you, for the 2 of you, if you guys want to do that. Okay. Alrighty, we're doing it anyway. Alright, on the count of 3, ready? 1, 2, 3. Clap, 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 clap. This is your birthday song. It isn't very long. There is a second verse. We'll keep going, yeah. Clap, 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 clap. This is the second verse. It's shorter than the... Alrighty, friends, but you know, it's been real. It's been fun. I can definitely say it's been real fun. But I want to tell you all one last thing from the bottom of my khaki-colored heart. And it goes along the lines of this. You've been wonderful. Get out. Sorry. That came out a little rude. I meant to say was please. Get out. Strong the side out towards the back of the boat. Make sure we don't cross that middle box. You're far too young to be crossing over. If you cross over, it's honor on you, your family, and your cow. So please don't do it. Watch your head step, use those handrails. Docks it out to that front middle corridor. Or one is simply walking the corridor. So watch your head step, use those handrails. So long, everyone. Tell your friends how much fun you had. It really helps keep our line short. Oh, and by the way, remember, at the end of the day, it's wine.